beauties, welcome back to Let's Glitter More Glitter. In this video, let's open the Pink Box February together. For more beauty and unboxing videos, I would be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. So when I open the Pink Box, it's like every month. It's the same as the description card here. Let's see. The first product here is the Hello Good Stuff primer from Essence. Is before you put on your makeup to prepare your skin for it with carrying hemp seed oil. It has 98 natural ingredients inside and it should moisturize your face. And this one costs 5 francs and 30 for this 30 ml. So next we have this Carmex Naturally Watermelon Stick Lip Balm. This brand is really good for your lips and it's intensely hydrating. Lip balm visibly smoother lips after one application, naturally soothes and hydrates, packed with antioxidants. That's great. And the price is 3 francs and 95. If you love Carmex and you want to try more from them lip products, I have here a discount code for a Carmex Ultimate Box with all those lip products here inside, and for 29.90 instead of 44.30 Swiss francs. So it's expires March 31st, 21. Next up we have this hand sanitizer from Samy Lausanne. Let's see how it sprays. It's not aggressive at all, and it's cost 4 francs and 50 for this bottle. It comes with a 20% discount flyer for all the products of this brand. Then we have here a sample size from Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores, and the full size would be cost 32.90 for 75 ml. We have a flyer with more information about the product, what it exactly does. Next, the fifth product is this Powered by Plants from Dove shower gel with eucalyptus scent. It's with natural ingredients and helps to moisturize your skin for soft skin. The price for this shower gel is 5 francs 95 Swiss francs for 250 ml. That was everything for today's video. I hope you liked it. Leave a like or a comment down below. See you next time. Bye!